In this video, I want to show you how to open KML or KMZ files in QGIS. For example, I have this Upper Benue Basin KMZ file. So if I open it in Google Earth Pro, this is what I get. This is Upper Benue Basin. So if you want to open it in QGIS, how do you do it? So to do that, let's go to QGIS. To open a KMZ file, come to Layer, then come to Add Layer and click on Add Vector Layer. So when you click on Add Vector Layer, navigate to where you have that file, and here is it, Upper Benue Basin. I'll click to select it and click on Open. Then click on Add. When you click on Add, it will bring you this page to select item to add. In that case, you are going to select this polygon. So when you select this polygon, you click on Add Layers. Then you can close this page. You can see that the KMZ has been added to QGIS. So in a nutshell, this is how to add KMZ or KML file to QGIS. Thank you for watching.